Assalamu alaikum everybody, hello my YouTube family. It's Wednesday today, my day off as usual. How's everybody doing? I've just come downstairs, just gonna open some blinds. Yeah, it's quite sunny but it's kind of rainy outside at the same time. How's everybody doing? As I said, it's my day off today and what's my plans for today? I'm gonna make breakfast now. I don't know what I'm gonna have just yet. And then I'm gonna have a shower, sort myself out. Well, have a bit of relaxation time first. Watch a bit of telly, enjoy my breakfast, take my time. And then I'm gonna basically see what I need to do today. I might pop out to get some groceries or something, but if I do, I'll take you guys with me. Yeah, it's been raining, guys. Look, it's actually been raining. See that? Yeah, it's been raining, so that's good. I'm happy with that because my plants need a bit of rain so I don't have to water them. But it's sunny, quite sunny now as well. So yeah, I might go out for a grocery shop later. But if I do anything interesting today or any point, I'll definitely take you with me, guys. I hope you enjoy this vlog. These are my ingredients for today, guys. I'm going to make an omelette. So I've got sweet corn, tomato, red pepper, some spinach, egg. I'm going to have an avocado toast. This is what I'm making so far for my breakfast. The bottle that I didn't finish last night of water upstairs, so I'd never waste water, guys. There's people out there that are dying for water and they don't want to get like a sip, so I just usually just pop it into the kettle and obviously boil it and have a cup of tea, coffee, whatever, basically, so it get used rather than wasting water. Please don't ever waste water, guys. Just think about everybody that's struggling right now. Started raining now, guys. Guys, breakfast already now. I made the omelette, avocado toast. I had some mince left over. It's not actually breakfast, it's actually brunch because it's nearly 12 o'clock. So I can have this mince. I don't feel sick or anything. So yeah, I'm just gonna have the mince and I'm just gonna enjoy my breakfast and enjoy the rain, guys. just off on some errands, guys. It's brightened up a bit. The rain has stopped. Just wearing my outfit of the day, my shoes from Shein. This is dresses from Shein, but it's from another company from Shein. I can't remember, but yeah, it's a nice long shirt dress. It's quite long from the back, short from the front slightly. Got my waistcoat on from Next. Got my Gucci bag. Yeah, I have ironed it, but this is that unironed look. Basically, it's just it doesn't iron very well, but it's meant to be like this. I think it's the material that's like this. So I'm just gonna go and do some errands. Yeah, I just need to go to Asda, I think. Yeah, I've got to go to Asda, go do a few things, guys. You'll see what I'm up to anyway. I'll take you along with me. Guys, I'm just making a chicken wings curry. This is the quickest way to make it, really. I've popped the chicken wings in there. No oil yet. I'm going to add the oil later. I'll just cut one onion, half a garlic, salt, pepper, some red chilies, and some cumin, some turmeric, and some coriander powder. That's all I put in there right now. You can put whatever spices you fancy. I'm just going to add some water in it now. Yeah, I might add a bit more. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna add at the moment. Just gonna give it a little stir, and I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I might add some yogurt in there now in a bit as well, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave it and let it do its thing. Put it on a medium heat and put the lid on it. All the water's dried up now, everyone, so I'm just giving it a good stir. I didn't put anything extra. I'm probably gonna pop some yogurt in there now. There you go, just pop some yogurt. This guys is the quickest way to do your chicken wing curry. I don't want to pop any more water in now because that's all done. Just gonna leave that to simmer for a bit and then that's ready, guys. Look how quick was that. I'm just gonna pop some spinach in there, just like spinach. See, I don't have to add anything extra because I put all the masalas, everything in there. As you've seen earlier, so I'll just pop some spinach in there just to give it some. I don't have any coriander left, so I have some spinach just to make it look slightly green. But yeah, it's the quickest way, guys. I think I've done this in about 15 minutes. It was that simple and easy to do. Okay, almost done, guys. It smells absolutely gorgeous.